In 1925, a man bought a country's central bank with its own money. Artur Virgílio Alves Reis was a Portuguese con artist with an extraordinary idea. Instead of printing fake money, why not convince a real printer to do it for you? He forged a stack of government authorization documents and walked into Waterloo & Sons, the official note printer for the Bank of Portugal. He told them the notes were for a secret colonial project. They believed him. 200,000 high-denomination banknotes, printed legally, by the right company, on the right paper, with the right ink. Technically, every single one was real. Reis quietly used the money to buy a controlling stake in the Bank of Portugal itself. He nearly pulled it off. Then a sharp-eyed bank clerk noticed something strange. 2 bills, same serial number, already in circulation. The investigation unraveled everything. Portugal fell into a currency crisis. The government collapsed, and Reis went to prison for 20 years. He didn't counterfeit the money. He just convinced the right people to commit the crime for him.